flights that have ever been coming out. And we are in Jeju. Now we just need to find our bags and then the rental car shuttle bus. Hello, Jeju. That's pretty cool. We got our bags. That was super easy. Now we're on our way to the rental car shuttle. She's like, picture. Now to the currency exchange. There's the rental car place right over there, where you catch the shuttle bus to get on the rental car. So you just go to gate 5. Once you get your bags, you go to exit 5, and then there are signs for rental car right there and all the way down.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Caleb. All right, this is the one we take for Hi Jeju. I don't know. This is the one for Hi Jeju rental car. If you have carry-on luggage, it goes here. Big luggage goes underneath the bus. To the rental car. All right, we made it to Hi rental car via that bus. Here's the rental car place right here, and the guy speaks English, so we just go inside. Boop, 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 boop. So now we're waiting for somebody who speaks English in order to explain the rental car process to us. So we're sitting and patiently waiting.
Okay.
So it looks like the Hi rental car might not work out. There's a language barrier that doesn't seem to be overcome, so our friend's gonna pick us up, and I think he's gonna take us to a new place. But it'll be okay. So our friend Caleb just saved us. He's got us a new place. Oh look, there's a Jeep Rubicon. We could rent a Jeep Rubicon. Well, anyhow, he's gonna take us to a rental. We're outside in the dark. All right, we made it to Kai Resort. Now we're going in the elevator. It's only big enough for like 3 people. Cozy yuppie. This reminds me so much of Cambodia. So far.
What's your favorite?
Here's our Kai hotel room. Take off the shoes. First thing I noticed is the grate. Finished work. Oh my goodness. Oh well. This is the Kai Resort. This is where we're staying for the next few nights. Really pretty nice inside. Very nice. 2 huge beds. And our view at night is some lights. Hotel in front of us, the Blue Hotel. Way out there is the water. And that's about it. Stools, 4 bar stools. You got sink, a microwave, little big mini fridge,
I really gotta put on my
hot plate. Very cool right there. Nice backsplash.
And scotch.
They got Kai Resort on the bedding, white. And see how hard it is. Oh, it's Korean hard. It's not soft beds.
No.
Check this one out. This is our hotel area. This so reminds me of Cambodia. All right, here we are, 11 o'clock at night. Finally at the hotel, which is really nice. And now we're gonna go find some food.
What's that burger place?
They look really like amazing
Oh.
inside.
Pretty pink. Oh, this is the Blue Spring Hotel. Holly's Coffee's inside. The beach is right in front of us. Hannah is running down to the Mexican Chicken place to see if it's open or not. There goes my 16-year-old daughter. Strange Korea. Running down. Alright. So she said the Mexican chicken place is open. Oh, and here's that little antique store that has the Midwestern antique stuff that we stopped by. Because it's almost midnight and the Mexicana Chicken place looks like they're open.
It's still just chicken and beer pretty much. Still.
That's fine. So we managed to find honey garlic chicken, we think, and this cool little car at Mexicana Chicken. There's the number. Oh, it's a scooter. So I love this place now because they have food at midnight. Mexi chicken for our midnight meal. Menu and takeaway beer.